In this video, I'm going to be checking out the shock absorbers. I have them right here. This is a 6-pack, and I bought the black ones just because it matches the handle better, but there's also blue ones, I believe there's yellow ones, and also red ones. So like I said, it is a 6-pack. I only need about 2 or 3 of them, but it's cool to have extras just in case. So let me pull these out so you guys could take a look at them. So you guys could see it has like the name brand written out on one side and then like the logo on the other side. So what this is, it's basically a shock absorber. So you could use this on a racquetball racket or a tennis racket, right? So when you have this on and you're holding it by the handle right here, when a ball hits it, it takes that vibration out, that ping that you have when you hit the ball. So it's very nice to have this on here because it takes that away. So you could swing away, you know, not getting any injured or damaging your elbow or any of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and put this on. It's a lot easier to put this style on because there are different types of styles, but like for a tennis racket, usually they're more squared and it's a lot easier to put any type on. For this racket, this racquetball racket that is, you guys can see that it's a little bit tougher because they're not all perfectly squared. And so what you want to do is you're going to put this all the way into the hole, and that's going to secure it. And I'm going to do the same thing over here for this side. Okay, so just like that, it just locked up that one side. And I do want to say they are made out of silicone, so they're kind of stretchy like that. So you guys can see I did a little bit of a weaving, so I just weaved it right on through. You guys can see I did that on both sides just like that. And then it's pretty good. I just tested it out right now. When you put a ball on here, it's you could feel the vibration. It's not as heavy as it once was before. So of course, you know, guys could mess around and buy different styles, but I do like this one, especially for a racquetball, because you could just slide it all along the edge like that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.